Well, actually, Tesla is one of the most profound AI companies out there.
Well, Tesla has been going to new heights since the start of 2023. And the question is not whether or not it can make new heights again for the year, but the question is going to be if Tesla stock can reach an all-time high in 2023. So in this video, we will go over that and much more. But before we get started, I need to let you guys know that Moomoo is giving away up to 17 free stocks. And all you need to do is open an account and deposit $100. You will get 2 free shares of either AI or BBAI and up to 5 more free stocks. And if you deposit $1,000, you have an opportunity to receive 17 free stocks. So be sure to click my link below for more information on how to redeem your stocks. And also the great thing about their app is that ever since ChatGPT has been the topic of discussion, many investors are trying to look for the next big stock in the AI industry. Well, Moomoo's ChatGPT concept functions will help you out a lot. Just text ChatGPT in the search box and you can see the performance of ChatGPT stocks and the stocks related to ChatGPT. So why should you invest in Tesla in 2023? Well, for starters, the company is on a roll. It's been growing faster than egg prices, and there is no sign of it slowing down anytime soon. Plus, with all the buzz around electric vehicles, it seems like Tesla is poised to take over the world. And who doesn't want to be part of a world takeover, right? But let's get real for a second. Investing in Tesla isn't just about jumping on the hype train, it's about investing in a company that's doing things differently and doing them a lot better. Tesla is more than just a car company, it's a tech company that's changing the game. So we're also going to be going over some catalysts for 2023 that you're not going to want to miss. Now, the first one being the expansion of production capacity, because Tesla is planning to increase its production capacity in Nevada, and they already have gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, and Shanghai. And these factories are going to help the company meet the growing demand for electric vehicles and reduce production costs. And with more production capacity, Tesla can increase its market share and maintain its position as a leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Also, let's not forget the massive investment Tesla made of $3.6 billion into expanding its existing gigafactory in Nevada. And this expansion is due to the new production of a 100 gigawatt-hour battery cell factory in Tesla's semi-truck. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Well, Tesla just had a recall. It's game over for Tesla. Well, you see, this Tesla recall FUD is so funny to me because this happens every single time. Tesla issues an over-the-air software update, and the term recall is only used because the legacy automakers, which should be going extinct pretty soon, produce vehicles that have to be physically recalled for most of its problems, but not for Tesla. So all this FUD is unnecessary and it's from uneducated media. But moving on, there are many people still out there that believe we are still due for a massive downside in the markets, and there are still fears of a recession. But keep in mind that we already had a recession last year. We had 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP going down, and that technically is a recession. Now, are we going to see that again? I'm not sure. But as of now, the economy is still very strong, and you're seeing jobs rotate from one sector to another, and a recession happens over a longer time frame. But we're not seeing signs of a traditional recession right now, and as always, when in doubt, zoom out. Now, apart from Tesla having a great stock, it also has a great CEO, and they will more than likely announce the launch of a new electric vehicle during Tesla's Investor Day, which could drive sales and revenue growth for the company. Now, the third catalyst is their advancements in autonomous driving. Tesla is leading the way in autonomous driving technology, and they're also expected to make significant advancements in 2023. Now, these changes could include improved software, hardware, and artificial intelligence that make the self-driving cars safer and more efficient. This could also help Tesla expand its market share and increase revenue from its autonomous driving features.
Tesla right now, its gross margins are in the 25% range. That's electric vehicles. We think they're going up from there. But autonomous is a SaaS model. Those autonomous taxi platforms, and we think Tesla's in the pole position to be the platform, the primary platform in the United States. Those gross margins will be in the 80% range. So we believe that so our target price for Tesla, at least the published one right now, is in the $1,500 to $1,600 range. Wow. From roughly $200 today in the next 5 years. We have a 5-year investment time horizon. And we believe that a third of that, roughly, will come just from the electric vehicle scaling. I mean, we're in the sweet spot of the S-curve for EVs now. The rest of it will come from AI. And we think, those looking for killer apps, that's probably the biggest killer app out there globally.
Another catalyst is the expansion of Tesla's energy business. You see, Tesla is not just a car company, it's also an energy company that produces and sells solar panels, energy storage systems, and other renewable energy products. And in 2023, Tesla is expected to expand its energy business by opening new solar panel factories and launching new energy products. Now, this could help the company diversify its revenue streams and reduce its dependence on EVs. The fifth and final catalyst is a partnership with other companies. Tesla has a history of collaborating with other companies to develop new technologies and products. And in 2023, Tesla is expected to partner with other companies in the automotive and technology industries to develop new electric vehicles, batteries, and other products. Now, these partnerships could help Tesla leverage the expertise and resources of other companies to accelerate its growth and innovation. And a sign of this is when they decided to open their superchargers to all EVs, which is a master plan from Tesla, because this could make Tesla into the universal filling station for EVs and downgrade the competition from other companies. And by late 2024, we are expecting Tesla to open 3,500 new superchargers along highways to non-Tesla customers. And let's not forget about the man behind the magic, the one and only Elon Musk. Sure, he might be a bit eccentric, but that's what makes him so darn entertaining. And let's face it, if anyone can take over the world, it's probably him. Plus, have you seen his Twitter? The man is a meme machine. And as we all know, memes equal success in the stock market. Am I right? Well, for starters, the company had some pretty impressive growth over the past few years. In fact, its stock had gone up by over 700% since 2019, and that's a pretty hefty increase. But as with any stock, there are always risks involved. Tesla has had its fair share of controversies, including some questionable business practices and concerns over the safety of its cars. So where does that leave us? Is Tesla a good buy or a risky gamble? Well, that all depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Some analysts are predicting even more growth for the company in the coming years, while others think that it's due for another massive correction. It's all a bit up in the air at the moment, so you'll have to do your own research and make your own decision. But when it comes to Tesla, you need to know something very important. Elon Musk and Tesla have a very specific set of goals, and they aim to have 12 gigafactories and produce 20 million electric cars by the year 2030. Which is only 7 years away. It's not too far away when you think about it. So let's say that Tesla ends the year at $300 a share, or maybe much lower to where it is right now. And that's not gonna make me worried or scared at all. But I want you to let me know in the comments down below your Tesla price prediction. Now you see, I look at the chart and I see a company that is going to explode. I see a company that is going to see insane growth and a lot of bullish catalysts along the way. But even more importantly, we had a billionaire investor, Charlie Munger, stating his bullishness on Tesla as a company and how he thinks Tesla is performing higher than expected. And according to Munger, Tesla has done real contributions to civilization, and Elon Musk has done good things that other people could not do. And he also cited that there has not been a successful auto company in a very long time. But describing what Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle. But do I think that the stock could hit the lows again? Well, it's hard to say, but as of now, the economy seems to be strong, but that's at least until we enter a deflationary period. Not only that, but going into 2023, we are starting to see that inflation is trending down. We are seeing signs everywhere that the Fed will start to slow down on rates soon. So in my opinion, I don't believe it's worth to be bearish in 2023. And the only way I see Tesla dropping much further is if Elon sells Tesla stock again or another black swan event happens. I also expect Elon to slowly shift back focus to Tesla as we have Investor Day coming up. And we could potentially see a new Twitter CEO before the end of the year. So with that in mind, let me know what you guys think. What is your Tesla price prediction for the end of 2023? As always, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe. Until next time.